Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the Roblox account you want to add the switch option to. This makes it the active profile. Once signed in, open settings via the gear icon on the site or app, because that menu contains account and device links. Make sure your connection is stable and, if prompted, enable two-step verification to avoid interruptions. Doing these prerequisites ensures Roblox recognizes your session and will display account controls when you proceed to the next setup steps. Now you add the other account, so Roblox can toggle between profiles. Head to Account Info, then manage logged-in devices or similar. Use the Add Account or Login Extras option to enter the second account's username and password. This step tells Roblox to store both sessions for fast access. Once you confirm credentials and accept any prompts, tap Save or Link. This links the accounts locally and creates the Switch Account option in the menu, allowing rapid swapping without full sign-out. Finally, open the main menu or gear icon, and you should see a Switch Account button or a visible accounts list. Tap it to choose which profile to use. If the button does not appear, clear the app cache and relaunch, or fully sign out then sign back in to refresh stored sessions. Make sure Roblox is updated. If problems persist, reinstall the app. These final actions resolve most glitches and restore the Switch functionality quickly, so you can change accounts within seconds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.